welcome back again. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra, the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. You probably have watched my last video. Same phones, it was all about the design language used, the user interface and also the customization options. There were some things that I was not able to show, hence I'm making this video to set all straight and show this to you, and also to address some of the concerns. A lot of people out there say, hey, what about good lock? You have to understand that if I have to make a video about good lock, they will be probably longer than Zack Snyder's director's cut editions. So hence, I only roughly scratched the tip of the iceberg. But in this video I want to show what I've missed from the previous video, set things straight, and of course I'm going to start with this wallpaper. In my last video I showed the Snow Peak Ice Peak Super wallpaper from the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and it's really amazing. So I forgot to show that apparently also the other phones are capable of providing animated wallpaper like this. So in this video I want to show what is available stock so that you can really make your own opinion, right? So this here is one of the options. It's called the Red Planet. We have the landing point, right? And it's really very good. I also like the fact that it's kind of educational. There is this educational part of it where you can go in and we can read, and you can also try to change and choose different landing points. So this is really amazing, guys. So for example, right now, if I am to choose the crater in Mark Valleys, I'm gonna land there, but I can also choose the Bahram Valleys. And see now, the moment I will choose this, right? So this is gonna be like the zoom out version of it. When I unlock my phone, I'm gonna get a close-up from the Red Planet one more time, and boom, the landing point. So I have several landing points. You have the coordinates, you have the altitudes, and what I do like is the fact that you have also some information, right? And this is again this kind of educational part of it that I like, all right? And by the way, those are all the super wallpapers right now. So you have the moon, you have snowy peaks, which I showed, you have the geometry, faraway rings, home, and the Red Planet. Now let's check what we have on the iPhone. We have Earth, then we have the Earth detail, we have Moon, we have also the Moon detail, and then we have of course Mars. Mars is very cool, I guess, really some nice colors. Then we have Jupiter, we have Saturn, we have Uranus, we have Neptune, and also we have the solar system. So there are plenty of options as well. Now on the Galaxy you can just see I have something called the interactive wallpapers, and they are really kind of nice. Specifically, they go together with the color of your phone. So in my case I have the purple edition. I can select this, all right, and you can just see how fancy this is going to look like. I am in fact actually going to also try to set it on the phone so that you can really experience this, okay? So let me just try to set this, guys. And now I'm gonna go to my always on display with the option to show the wallpaper. So you can just see what happens on the screen, right? Again, it's very immersive. This here is always on. This is the lock screen. So one more time, all right? Lock screen, and transitioning to the always on display. If I am to unlock the phone, I get this very beautiful animation, right? So of course it's a bit limited. I will still say that I do believe the animation smoothness, the usability, and the options from the Xiaomi 14 Ultra on the HyperOS is really unmatched, guys, right? So it's really like this. I mean, this is what I like most. You have the most option. They are beautiful. They're so well animated. It doesn't even skip a tiny frame. It looks super fantastic. Okay, so for me, again, this will be choice number one. Now, I want to also address something else, and I do believe that I have to do this in the right way. I was showing you how you're able to group your home screen. And on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra in general, in HyperOS and also in MIUI, there is this thing that I like so much. Why? Because the moment I hit here on my finger, I'm presented with the option to I would say, naturally select icons, right? Not only am I able to select the icons, but then I'm able to just go and put them on a screen I want. So I can put it on my home, second, third, fourth screen. Boom, just like this. And now, right, if I'm to scroll on the fourth screen, you're gonna see that they're there. On the iOS and on One UI it works a bit different. I tried to show this in my last video, but apparently I didn't cover all of it. So let me just show you what happens. If I now wanna move this icon, right, I can just go and move it to the next screen. Now, there is the option to select multiple icons, so holding this icon with your left finger, you need to also hold this icon, right? And then, boom, you can see those icons are now grouped, and you can apparently group more icons, right? So now I have these three icons, I can go and very easily dump them here. And this is really how it works on iOS. There is the option to move multiple icons around. Now let's see how this works in One UI. So in One UI, I have to click here, right? I have the option to select, which I didn't really show in my last video. Right now you're able to select more icons, and then you can group them, right? And you can move them where you want. But guys, I still want to show you something, all right? So first things first, this is really far more intuitive for me, because when I click here and I have the option to regroup, I immediately get the option to select them. And okay, forget about this. Let's say right now I click here, I need to press select. I can also select them here, but now let me show you why I still believe HyperOS execution is just better, saves you time. Here guys, I have all my group icons, right? So with the hold of one finger, I can drop them to where I want. So I have here all my screens, right? And imagine sometimes you might as well even have more than 5 screens, right? It's very easy. Here guys, I can mass select the icons, okay, no doubt. But then I have to hold the icons with my left hand, and thanks to this new feature from One UI 6.1, I can just scroll with my other finger, right? And imagine you have 10 screens, you have to do like this 10 times. And on iOS, I guess it's quite the same thing. I need to select this first icon, then I need to tap this icon, and then of course I need to scroll like crazy, right? So again, those are not so big, not so, let's say, dramatic differences, but they're here, and hence I'm making this video to show this to you and address it to you. And now guys, some things about good luck, because some people said, hey, you know, you cannot really do a video about customization and not show good luck. Okay, fair enough. I just want to show you something. You kind of know how the standard recent menu looks like. This is how it looked like. Well, see guys, with the use of good luck, yeah, indeed, this is not standard. You have the option to really transform your phone. So I did a lot of good luck videos in the last years, I would say, covered everything from installation, from even bypassing the geo restriction one, because still good luck is not available for all the users out there. And also, even if you live in an area where good luck is available, it's not going to be pre-installed on your phone, right? So you have to know, we have to look for customizations to get to it. But I want to show you guys, so basically, what is good luck? We have the makeup section, right? And we have the life up section. Under the makeup section, we have fantastic modules like Theme Park that allows you to create your own themes and apply them. Fantastic. Create styles for your S Pen. We have Wonderland. You can create motion enabled, 3D motion enabled wallpapers, and there are plenty of things like this. Work around notification, work around other theming from the front, clock faces, always on display. You can really manipulate lock screen, everything you want. But one of my favorite models is the home up, because just see what happens here guys. Under touch changer, right, I have the option to select different styles, and not only select them guys, there is also the mini mode, right? Mini mode is just absolutely amazing, and you have such creativity options that are straight enabled when you use it, that I think you can just really get lost inside this, right? And this is the reason why I didn't want to scratch the iceberg with good luck, because the moment you scratch the iceberg and show something, you have to show a lot of things, and then the video is gonna be probably like 4 hours. In the life up section guys, you have nice shot, notice star, edge touch, one hand operation plus guys. This is really amazing. Like just this model alone has so many options. A lot of the other vendors will never have this thing. Routines plus. You have also the camera assistant. So the camera assistant was first introduced as a good luck module because it was even integrated into the native camera settings. Then we have Registar, you know, you can manipulate things, system settings, what to show, what to not, group them. You can also enable double touch on the back of the phone. So there are multiple options, and I urge you, if you want to see more, just go and type good luck, search my videos, and you're gonna check everything. And I really hope that with this video as an annotation to my previous one, I've covered also a bit more on them customizations. Thank you so much for watching guys. VST over and bye.